Hi everybody, good morning. I'm continuing doing work for Industrious Intrusion. It's offline now, they will put it back online because they're doing now fact check for the leaderboard. I'm doing task number 19, no salt, no shame. The room states said, oh, secure the maintenance logs, Virelian gateway, vendor encrypted every critical entry with AES-CBC using the plant code name as the passphrase and fixed all zero IV. So we have IV as zeros. And of course, without any salt or integrity checks, it is only obscurity, not true security somewhere. In those encrypted records lie the actual shutdown command. Now they give us the command is Virelia Water Facility, and of course they give us the encrypted file, which is shutdown log dot encrypted ANC. The idea we need to decrypt this file. Now I tell you download the encrypted log file attached in this task and get the flag. I will share the encrypted file link to GitHub. Now, first of all, what's the information we have? We know it's in CBC. We know it's all AV are zeros, and we know there is no salt, no integrity. So basically, this we know. So we have zeros, we have that, we have the passphrase, and now we have all IVs for IS. The IV size is the same as the block size, which is 128 bits, 16 bytes. So your IV will be 16 byte of zeros. IS operating 28-bit blocks regardless of the key size. Of course, we can't use this one as a text because we need to convert it, for example, because we're assuming here is 256, which seems it's the one working. So we need to get first get our the key, converting the key, so we can convert the key. So we have that. So we have now converting the key to SHA to 256 sum. So it's done. The IV is set to 32 or 16 bytes, so that's the length of the IB. So here's two ways we can do Python script for this, or for example, what we can do is we can go to CyberChef. We can upload our file they give us. Say this is the shutdown log. Now I can look for IS here, IS decrypt. Now I can come and just copy the one that we got now. I can copy the one for hex, and then we can take the IV32 16 by 32 bits. We can put that one. It's still up because remember we have input is file, so we need to change it to row, and now we got the flag. So that's straightforward. Or we can also do something. We can go to I ask Gemini to generate a quick Python script for me. So for example, I have this fmg.py, this script that can use Virelia and then he can do decryption for us. Now let's see if I run it, for example, Python 3 and tell you, for example, that, and then we can switch to Python. Let's do a virtual environment. If you stuck minus a virtual environment, let's call it lab. And then what we can do, we can write on the source, cancel lab, binary, activate, and then we need to install, what's the library we need to install? We need to install lib. We can install a pycryptodome, cryptodome, because that's the one that has the cryptography. Now after we install it, now we can go to run our script, and our script will run, will give us the key, will give us the IV. I will share the link for the script, and it is a new file. We give it decrypted log, and then if we go to decrypted log, you can see the flag, and then we're done. So the base of this story is you just take this. We have the passphrase, we know it's an AES-CBC, and we know it's all zeros, and we know it's there is no check and balance. So basically We just need to have the key, we have the IV, and then yeah, for the proper AES-5256 CBC, the key is 32, the IV is 16 byte. Yeah, the room is still not active yet, so I will share this. Where is that? The script. I will share the script in case someone needs it in future for Gemini. The good thing now we have AI, you can do things faster. So the crypto library, if you have error, the error basically install less. Yeah, I don't think anything we can add. This one was an easy challenge because it's straight decryption. Yeah, thank you very much everybody, and have a good day.